Keblepi baro syakatuk Khubor jingi nak Don Bosco Media Network kimat bukangsan mentah kesengi kilong. Plima nong rem Dr. W.R. Karluki Banshna Ram ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai. Penlong kasya ya ke yo yadi thiet sembai tenrai. Bat pleu Principal Secretary jong Sarkar Meghalaya yak snat rekam jong kasima. Tu mentangin ya phaji Khubor bukhambnya. Dr. W. Karluki MP jong Raja Sabha nigsngi absan tarik urempang arjar arpway ulaplio maunong rembante yak ram nikalenti ya chakamala badan hak maternity block hapok Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai kabala mang banshna hak jinglot kabah nru phaulak tingka haringkat ka jingya don lang Deputy Commissioner ka West Janty Hills District Garrett LNS Dykes o lambin MDC JHADC ki pastor ki timman basan ki nurse ki doctor bat ki we Ka Medical Superintendent jong Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai ka Dr. D. Nongplu hapa ay jing kran kali thu khanan kot halo ka jing lenti jong ka hospital but kal angru badan shibon ki jing ang not kum ka hospital henry na ka daw ka jing duna pisa kimsem nala banya chkman Dr. W.R. Karluki kum ubreu blakha hakani ka hospital but ka kami jong uru ka bla tre hakani ka hospital kum ka nurse Hakani ka juhi ka jaka, ulapan i ka jing sungu ka bamla ken ya kani ka hospital ka bola yo ka longran yang kumaw long menta. Ula ongru baw smokeman but uyaro ki doctor but ki nurse, jong kani ka hospital ki ba ai ka jing sakri dak batray met bat mansim. Ki way pat ki ba ai jing kran ki kentopyo administrative officer MS Luhut, Reverend NS Power, Teman Basan, MK Sengshai, Dr. B Dekhar bat ki way.
Bamenta kasni kan long kajing sedang pemangalang na do mene ya ka kabatamai ban nganet skamsa ba kajing don jongpi hagani opor bat ni le si phina ban yarap yani namar kumpa kalong menta ni sedang da kajing ne namar ni don ka pisa wat ni don tang siteng ka pisa na ka estimated amount rangi net skam boble ubla isnengi bangin sedang on pangkut roi ka jing tray ka jongi pat ni next camp banila ban poi sagathong hakachu wapor wachukwa ban pa hangni bangidang katto kat ni ki ongoing projects ke bangidang pantray hapo jong hospital namar house nem arajar kat khandai hapor liur hau julai kaladon ka landslide ka basar khai hadien jongga ni ka new building but nila tin sikat day bala si tani ka landslide kan poi sadok ka new building ngai de jing isne jongle how news nem arajar arpel hakapor jong ka pandemic wat dah rabring ka jing jor jong slum ngai kani ka landslide kamsem la don show but ta ka jing isne jong ki breu ki badon hapo wheels but naga fun ka bangiyo ki nilala ban tray ya kani ka retaining wall Bag nilala ban sedang ya ka jing tray haga estimated amount ka balong kumbasikulor EA. Bag ni dondro ya ka laundry unit ka mangidang pentray manta bag ni net scam bangila ban pandem.
Dewi Chonglang Chiruk Wugyo Play Hospital Ngau Chimay Gadi Kang Commission Yona Hako Kako Yedabiya Uyarap Yaka Tau Kung yo ay jingim yung lani hajo ipor he sano heni tau degini kitin kublai sibon hejaro
Principal Secretary jong Sarkar Meghalaya Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed IAS ubadai pet yakatnat agriculture but horticulture ulapli kasnat trekam jong kasimap balatip kom ka CSIR CMAP Technology Window Hagajinga Lang Kabalong Institute of Natural Resources Spring Valley Farm Halang Mau Bai Lane Langkerding Maupat Nalo Principal Secretary ba Dr. Bremley WB Lingdo Kibalay Don Lang Hakani Program Kilong Sampat Kumar IAS CEO MBDA Eastware Director ke MBDA El Shabong Director ke Institute of Natural Resources MBDA Dr. Prabodh Kumar Trivedi Director ke CSIR CMAP Lucknow ki Scientist jong ke CMAP Lucknow but Jorhat but kiwe Hakajing kran jong Principal Secretary ulapan slori samla ka jalla bakin wan sekmat ban penyasno yala die bat kinong rap ban yarap yaki hakirukom bapher ban longru ka jingking hapne kinong rap bat kinong khai barak jing kran jong Dr. Bremley WB Lingdo ulapan sngo barak jing tray lang jong ki parlok kiwe jan ulala ban pen orlong ya ka jing angnot ban yarap kinong rap Lapan ya ikani program daw director ke MBDA ba Eastware bat ika kentian ai khlai penkut lak ai di Dr. H Siangbot
And the best way to have is our own youngsters, our young entrepreneurs take up the challenge and become the entrepreneur to link farmer to the market. That will be the most sustainable way. I think in this direction, the opening has started. You've already done almost more than 100 hectares. You should have option and you should have a wherewithal to know the price so that he decide informed decision what to cultivate and when to cultivate and how long you need to retain it, how long you need to keep it in the storage, and those kind of a situation we need to develop. I mean, we all know we make best of the pepper and peppering in the country. The pepper extraction is a big thing. I mean, down south, if you can think of, when Kerala, even Karnataka, those states, young entrepreneurs really do really well. And we need to create that kind of a scenario where we all would be able to work together, work for the welfare of the farmers, welfare of the state, and jointly work to ultimately fulfill the goal that whatever we do, we'll have to benefit and we'll have to retain the quality, purity of the soil, water, environment, and the farmer. With these words, I once again congratulate the whole team of CIMAC, whole team of MBDA and Society, by Ivan, by Shillong, and the CEO, and who have been collaborating with, including HFU, in this effort, and look forward to working together in the future. Thank you very much, Shillong, and all the best.
On this note, I'd like to welcome all of you to Spring Valley Farm. This farm has been created in 2012 to honor my late father, Mr. E.B. Lingdor, who was instrumental in the Hill State movement back in the 1960s. And until we got a Hill State, he was in the first cabinet as an MLA from Meghalaya, an MDC. He's gone right now, but I hope he's quite satisfied looking from up there, the stars, and what we're doing today, launching this event for our farmers, not only for Meghalaya, but also sending a signal to the entire Northeast region, the biodiversity hotspot. Spring Valley Farm was created for that very purpose. Together with the Hill Farmers Union, last year we launched the first ever Meghalaya Farmers Day here with Honorable Minister Bante Dor, who couldn't make it today because of a death in his constituency. He sends his apologies. But Spring Valley Farm was created to be a hub for young people, young entrepreneurs, young farmers to come together, to stay here, to be trained, and to go back home to their communities and their villages and sow those seeds of development. Of course, it's not completed, but the construction will continue. But I'm very happy that with Ba'alam Shillong and Ba'Ivan Swear, we're collaborating with Ba'Alfon for the HFU. This will be their site, their hall. We'll be able to host scientists and guests once we complete the dorms and the rooms upstairs, so you can stay on site. When you wake up in the morning, you can start planting right away.
We have now come to the important part, that is the inauguration of the CSR Seva window.
Without your effort and dedication, today's program will not have been possible, sir.
Ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment Jowai SURE Nikasngi Arpsantarek Rumpang Arja Arpway Kalpanoi ka yo yadi thiet sambai tenrai halat halabo indoor hall Jowai ni community seat fair balawan simbanta da kinongrap na kisnong bapher. Habai kran bot president jongka show HH Mormon bat ka kong Shillong kila ong bahag jinga day bat ka benta ban penne pensa iki sambai tenrai ya ka project la ya tray lang bat ka Northeast Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society Nespas. Kia thu bala don ru ka jaka pelang sambai community seed bank hak snong mulum hak ba ka kunhun kinong rap kila pelang yi shi jaka ki sambai nang ta la don ru kinong rap ki pelang hi marwai bat hadu arsan jat ki sambai ru kidang la ban penmi bat wan ra shakani ka yo yadi thiet sambai Kiriu Shampang bal Ajinkran Hakari program yadi thiet kirkan thop yakakong R Lamari Scientific Agriculture Officer RK Bla Horticulture Department K-Lingdo KVK Department but S-Lingdo DPM Basin Hakani ka si kasya kalala ru ban play pat ba yak website jangka bala tip kum kasya gianthills.org bala play daw PK Bora Additional Deputy Commissioner ke West Jandi Hills District.
Teman kami tahu kan ni ke kini sembe nam. Kan ni ke projek kerana mana sepas tu beri tahu kata kuai pencilur yo penek bangsa ini sembe tendre. No. Hagan ni ke jo program buro mila ya gitu ki seat custodian nang. No. Jadi hagan ni projek ada pen DM kui ke seat bank. Dan ba ni projek di penman kui seat bank hap cenang mulom. Kini community seat bank gua ki kinong reparaki pelanggi sembil dan penman giga seat bank. Andai ulor ten binong rep semen la pelanggi. Dan ni kesni ya kita la buromi gi. Mo kini gi seat custodian dan custodian farmer. Mo kini kinong rep ni gua semen gi kunci udo arpausan jet ki sembe. Gua arpau jet. Dan ni kita baru ada ini duan lagi. Iwa nalor ten ni kini no rebla yo ki praki le yethet ki ne emu sumbe wa amukhap emu taja terchang emu ya thet ki ni tu teman-teman ni ke jingya kayau praki la ya dai ki yo ki penbon cucu ki ni ki jor ki ra ibrap ki.
Kumshibanta ban rakhi ek road safety week arja arpway halor kapang save yourself to save your family kabamot yada yela de ban yada gi bahing asam nakalyang katanat pulit jang West Jandi Hills District lingba katanat traffic ni ka step kila ponnong ek jingyat rally dak cycle rally balam khamadu MJ Marnga DSP headquarter over day pet group yakasnat pulit yakani rally lasdang na Jowai police station Kabla Shimbanta da kumban life and ringot but yat keleng saudong kasdong Jowai hakajing jingai kapa 10.2 kilometers balpun kot ikani ka cycle rally hakajaka basdang bala samro i certificate sekinong i Shimbanta nakalyang jong MJ Marnga ulakan tu ipat ba pan board ikikendon nya kali batru pan kian na kajing nya kali khamakol hakani jo kasni la dan ru ka jingpen sung thu hakajing day bat karu kom nya kali ne ka road safety awareness program nagbenta ka sengkinong nya kali hakajing ya lang ka bala penlong Haviani building hall New Hill Jowai kat kum ka khubor bala yot lum le thu ba ne kasngi hakapor khatwe baji uba e kharbani ula leche ka karkhana sannar harbyang pabaltep kum ka shikambari ferro alloy private limited pan pisa bat palat ikipil badangsa hagajing ekran nakalyang manager ulai thu bola dapan rung yak pisa account henry nakalyang uba kharbani ula ong ba ka pisa kampat rung hadin ka jing ekran shipor uba arfol ulaktak ti bat show your manager bala tip kerteng ko mahesh hadu banaman saw Hello kini jingja nakalyang pulet kila hiar bat ratno yo ba arful carboni shathanan badailam medical check up yo mahesh ban toket bania nakalyang ki try kar khana kila deb ai ka FIR pusha yo ba e carboni kat bayu basha sho la ra civil hospital namar jingman saw nagjing place na kat hadu bal penmi kini khubor jing toket kadang ya chakman
Takon kunci bagi pegang supply. Papis tangkap. Ya.
Kita berkumpul pesan cimitir lang
Badak itu ki khubor ngila poisa bukot tat hadu bangin dia sambiang kublai sibun.